Welcome in to another woolly review. Today we are reviewing Cygnet Aran or Deluxe Cygnet Aran. Either way, it's Cygnet Aran. So this one is in the colour black, number 217 if you really need to know. We're not here to judge the colour. You can do that in your own time, that's fine. These balls are 100 grams each. 100% superior acrylic. Okay. What they don't have on them is the how much is on each ball, unless I'm missing it completely. Oh, I am missing it completely because it's right there. 210 meters. There we go. So let's have a nosy. See if we can find where to start it. There we go. Now, straight away, feeling it, it's definitely not the softest in the world. Superior, yes, questionable. It's not rough. It's okay, it's squidgy, but it's not overly soft. But let's give this a go. I haven't used it before, so this is my first time. I have bought this deliberately to make a cat bed for Beany. Of course, she won't use it. I know this. But I can try. Somebody bought me the pattern. What is going on there? Somebody bought me the pattern for the cat bed. I've bought the wool to do it, and it's one of my next projects. So I'm going to start off with a row of single crochet. And there'll be 2 rows of each stitch type on the swatch just to work it up. There is a little bit of elasticity there. There is some stretch. In the hand, it's feeling as it did on the ball. Not overly looking forward to using it long term. But it's not rough. Oops, it's supposed to be a half double crochet, Lisa. Yeah, we're not here to judge my crochet skills either, but you can judge them on your own. I'll just do a row of half doubles. Now I know with the black, oops, you're not necessarily going to see the stitches, so I will let you know as best I can. Oops. I don't even know what I'm doing anymore. What is this curling thing going on? What's happening here? I didn't ask for a curl. If I'd asked for a curl, I would have gone somewhere else. Not to the wool. So the cheapest place that I've found this at the moment is the Little Wool Shop for £1.79 a ball. Whether it will stay that price or not, I don't know, but I'm giving you the price as of today. or this moment of me making. So I'm doing double crochets now, just one row. There we go, and then chain one. I mean, it's not overly bad for the stitch definition. There's a lot of fuzz on it. Okay, apparently I'm taking my wool for a walk. Oh yes, single crochet. Single crochet. Now, the thing that springs to my mind right now while I'm working with it is hard-wearing school jumper. That's what's in my head. It's not comfort jumper. It's not snuggle down blanket. It's not bikini. Oh, I didn't do the one on the end. Let's do the one on the end, just for the sake of it. But yeah, for me, it feels like a hard-wearing school jumper. Okay, last row of half doubles. Going in now. Like I said, I haven't gotten this or used it before, so this is a first. I didn't buy it that cheap. And that's purely because I had a voucher for where I got it from. It was cheaper elsewhere. But it is what it is. Okay, last row now. And that's double crochets. Oops. Good thing is it's not splitting. I'm kind of mindlessly going in. I'm not overly thinking about anything. So splitting aspect, pretty good. Stitch definition, nah. Apart from on the double crochets, there isn't really any definition. Maybe that is because it's black, maybe not, I don't know. It doesn't feel bad on the skin. I mean, it's not a case of, oh, steer clear, otherwise you're going to end up with a rash. No, I wouldn't say that. It's just not very soft. Like I said, hard-wearing school jumper, yes. Okay, let's do a slow frog. Okay, so far. Now let's speed it up. And there is a little bit of kinkage going on. Not major, but there is a little bit for sure. So let's get this wrapped back up. Now, how much was it? 210 meters on an Aran weight. that's pretty good. Aran is also worsted if you're overseas. But what am I going to give Cygnet Aran? Remember, this is my personal review. If it helps, it helps. If it doesn't, it doesn't. If you've used this and you think it's really bad, or you think it's really, really good, that's your preference. I'm just telling you how I see it. So, you got there with Rudolph. Oops. Thank you. So, would I turn it down if I needed an Aran and that was the only one in the shop? Nope. Would I... Oh, that's all you've got? Oh, fine, I'll take it. No. Would I be... Well, it's in my top 5. It's okay. That's all you've got? You haven't got the others? Oh, okay. No, I'll take it. That's fine. I'm going to go 3.5. The only reason why I'm giving it's kind of more like a 3.25, really. It's not something that I'd instantly think, oh, I can make something really nice with that. It's not something that I'd want to use for a long time after feeling it through the fingers. It just feels like it's going to grate on me for a fair while. So, I mean, I don't know what Beany's going to think about it, but we've got that to come. So, for me, full mark off for the kind of the feel of it. Like I said, it's not rough. It's just not exactly soft. Squidgeable. It's got elastic. It's slightly elasticated, which is nice. There's a little bit of stitch definition there if you look for it. But there's a lot of meterage on there for that price. For an Aran weight, that price, that's pretty good. I mean, we're looking at value style when it comes to the feel. But that's my review for Cygnet Aran. If it was any use to you, please give a thumbs up. And hopefully I'll see you next time for another woolly review or a tutorial, or maybe come along for one of the lives. And hopefully I'll see you there, especially if you subscribe. Take care. Bye-bye.